I would cry. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Don't you, oh, baby.
Hey you guys, so welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Brenda, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get this glowy golden eye makeup look and a smoked out lash line. So without further ado, if you are interested on how to get this look, then please keep on watching. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video. So to prime my lids, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and I'm gonna apply this all over the lid. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it out with my beauty blender. To set, I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of translucent powder from Mercier. You can use an eyeshadow for this as well. For eyeshadow, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into my Naked Heat palette. I'm gonna be picking up the color Sauce for my transition shade, and I'm just gonna start working this in circular motions, starting it in my outer corner and then just dragging it in and doing back and forth windshield motions. And I'm trying to get this color pretty up high to my brow bone, and I'm also gonna pull it out. Next, I'm gonna jump into my Iluvsarahii and those colors, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab this shade right here, which is called Wanderlust. And I'm gonna pick that up with a fluffy blending brush, and I'm gonna start working this just on the crease and just start blending that out. Try not to get a lot of it on the actual lid because we're gonna be applying a gold color and I kind of want that to pop. So just go in there and blend. Once that is blended out, I'm gonna grab my Tarte Shape Tape and a concealer brush, and I'm just gonna get a little bit of that concealer, and I'm gonna apply this on my lid and kind of create a cut crease. I'm gonna start it off in the center and I'm gonna bring it up. Now I'm gonna grab a sort of flat brush and I'm gonna go back into the Iluvsarahii palette, and I'm gonna grab this color right here, which is Sun Glow, and I'm gonna apply this on the lid. I'm gonna pat it on. I'm not gonna swipe it back and forth. Going back with my blending brush, I'm gonna go back into Wanderlust, and I am going to blend that Sun Glow color with Wanderlust in the outer corner. And I want to deepen up the crease a bit, so I'm going to go back again with Wanderlust one more time and just work it on my crease. Now I'm going to go ahead and go into my NYX Liquid Liner, and I'm going to apply this just on my upper lash line. I'm not going to wing it out, I'm just going to apply it. For mascara, I'm sure you guys already know what I'm going to go in with, which is my Maybelline Colossal Volume Express. And I'm just going to start applying this on my lashes. Kind of tug it at the root and then brush it up. I'm going to highlight my brow bone going back to my Iluvsarahii palette using Poquito Más. For lashes, I'm going to go in with some Ardell Wispies, and these are in the number 811. They're super duper cute. And I'm going to apply these off camera because I'm still not comfortable doing my lashes for you guys because y'all be judging the bitch. So I'll be right back. Now that my lashes are done, I'm gonna go into foundation. I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Born This Way, and I am in the shade Golden Beige. I'm gonna apply this into my damp beauty blender, and I'm gonna start working this. Next, I'm gonna go in with concealer using the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm gonna start working this on my under eyes. The harder to reach areas, I'm gonna go in with just a little brush, and I'm gonna buff the rest of the concealer. Next, to set my under eyes and the rest of my face, I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. So while I'm baking, I'm gonna go into my Urban Decay Beached Bronzer, and I'm gonna start bronzing up my face. And also, don't forget the nose. Okay, so for eyes, we're gonna go super heavy with black. Okay, I'm gonna go back to my Naked Heat palette and going back with that same color that I used earlier, which is called Sauce. I'm gonna grab a little brush like this, and I'm gonna go into that color. I'm gonna start working this in my lower lash line. Next, I'm gonna go in with a black liner and work this in my upper lash line and my lower lash line. Now I'm gonna go back again to my Iluvsarahii palette, and I'm gonna go with the shade Finders Keepers, which is this really pretty black. So I'm gonna go into that Finders Keepers shade, and I'm gonna start working this really slowly into my lash line. I am going to blend it a little bit. With that black, I'm also going to work it into my inner corner of my upper lash line, just to give it that like cat eye effect. Don't forget your inner corner highlight. I'm going to go in with Poquito Más. And boom. Now some lower lash line mascara. I kind of wish I had some more dramatic lashes for this look, but a bitch is poor, so. Now just dust off the under eye powder. For lips, I'm just going to go ahead and go with Nutmeg from NYX. Line my lips, and then I'm going to be applying Dose of Colors times Iluvsarahii Barely There gloss. I feel like Dose of Color should be sponsoring my videos because I've used all the fucking Iluvsarahii collection, bitch. Like, onto me, you know? For highlight, I'm gonna go in with, again, Iluvsarahii Times Dose of Colors Beige. On my nose. Last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and set using my Urban Decay All Nighter. So this is the completed look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I'm gonna bring out more videos for you guys. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell button. That way you can get notified every time I upload a new video. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. And I will be seeing you in the next one. Bye. Nadie sabe cómo yo soy contigo.